In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Brave browser account. Now, before we begin, there's an important detail to understand. Brave doesn't use a traditional online account like you might see with Google or Facebook. Instead, what most people mean by a Brave account is a browser profile. A profile is a dedicated space on your device with its own bookmarks, history, extensions, settings, and look. Think of it as a clean, separate browser identity you can switch to whenever you need. Start by opening Brave browser. If it's already running, make sure you're on a regular window and not a private one, so your changes will be saved to the new profile. Once Brave is open, move to the upper right corner of the window and click the icon with three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it's where Brave keeps most of its tools and customization options. From that menu, click on More Tools. This expands a set of actions that help you manage and customize your browser beyond everyday browsing. In this list, select Add Profile. When you choose Add Profile, Brave creates a fresh environment that won't mix with your existing data. This is great if you want one setup for work and another for personal browsing, or if you share a computer and want to keep things separate and organized. You'll now see an option to rename the new profile and pick a theme. Give the profile a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it at a glance, like work, personal, or school. Then choose a theme that makes it easy to tell profiles apart. The theme only affects the appearance, so pick something that feels comfortable and distinct. When you're happy with the name and look, click Done. Your new profile opens in its own window, fully isolated from your other profiles. From here, you can browse, install extensions, sign into websites, and set preferences, all without affecting your other profiles. Remember, this is local to your device. You haven't created a cloud account with Brave. If you want to use similar settings on another device later, Brave offers sync and export options you can explore when you're ready, but they're not required to use your new profile. To switch between profiles in the future, look to the top right of Brave and use the profile controls to move between them. That's all you need to create a Brave profile that functions like your own Brave account on this device.